Hi guys! This is Dave and welcome back to my YouTube channel. Consuming digital content has been a trend on the smartphone era, but sharing it on a TV with family and friends is a better experience. But since it's too expensive buying a smart TV, Android TV, or even an Apple TV, we will check a much more cheaper option if you already have an existing TV with an HDMI port. For today's video, we will unbox and review this Mi Box S Android TV 4K Ultra HD set-top box from Xiaomi, which retails for 3,490 pesos in Mi stores nationwide. And by the way, I only got this for 2,443 pesos on a Shopee flash sale last 5/5. For the unboxing, let's start. Inside the box, you will get the Mi Box S, a Bluetooth voice remote, an HDMI cable, two AAA batteries, its power adapter, and its paperwork. For the remote control, we have the power button, Google Assistant button, up, down, left, right, and OK buttons, menu button, back button, home screen button. We also have the dedicated buttons for Netflix and Prime Video, and the volume adjustment buttons. For the set-top box, you have an audio port, HDMI port, USB port, and power supply. For its features, it has a Chromecast built-in, 4K Ultra HD plus HDR support, Google Assistant built-in, quad-core CPU, and 3+2-core GPU. For the specs, it has a dimension of 95.25 by 95.25 by 16.7 mm. It weighs 147 grams. It has a Cortex A53 quad-core 64-bit CPU, Mali 450 for GPU, 2GB DDR3 RAM, 8GB eMMC for the storage, 2.4 and 5 GHz for Wi-Fi connection, and Bluetooth 4.2. Connect your Mi Box S to your TV's HDMI port, turn them both on, and select the correct input source. Choose your language, then select your Wi-Fi network. Make the most of your TV by signing in using your Google account. For terms of service, click Accept. For location, click Yes. For Help Improve Android, click Yes. For Get Better Voice Control of your TV, continue. For Get Personal Results, turn on. Install additional apps. Your Mi Box 4 is powered by Android TV. Get apps from Google Play. Talk to the Google Assistant. Cast to your TV. Now, we have a system update available. To check the current version, go to Settings, Device Preferences, and About. It's running on Android 9 with security patch level from November 5, 2019 and kernel version from December 4, 2019. Let us now download the Android system update. Update has been completed, so let's now check the firmware version. Android patch level is from January 5, 2021, while kernel version is from March 1, 2021. You may now rename your Mi Box S. In my case, it's Bedroom TV. From your home screen, you may arrange your apps based on your preferences. You may also update your apps and games from Google Play Store. Here are some of the available Android TV apps as well. Let's try opening Netflix. What's the weather today?
Currently in Mandaluyong it's 31 degrees and clear. Tonight, the forecast is around 29 and clear.
Turn off living room light.
Alright, turning off the living room light bulb.
Turn on living room light.
Okay, turning on the living room light bulb.
And last one for YouTube. And that's it for the unboxing and review of this Mi Box S Android TV 4K Ultra HD set-top box. For comments and suggestions for future videos, please leave them all at the comment section below. If you enjoyed this video, please click the like icon, subscribe to my YouTube channel, and turn on the notification bell so you will be notified on my next uploads. Thank you and stay safe. Bye!